Hello, today I would like to teach you about the array command. The array command can copy objects in a rectangular pattern or a circular pattern. And by using this command you can save time instead of copy one by one. So first we go to the new drawing. And we choose the template we already made in the first lesson. Then we will start by choosing the contour line as we made in the template in the first lesson. And we just make a rectangular. We can make it 100. Yeah, 100 this way and 100 that way. So then we will use the array command in the modify box. If you choose the arrow here, you can choose a rectangular or path. If you have a path you want the pattern to go along, or polar array. So now we will use the rectangular array. And we choose the rectangle, enter, and see here it already have some information filled in. I would like to have 5 columns, and between every column I like to have 200 millimeter. And I like to have 4 rows, and between the rows also 200. So I think this looks okay. Then I close the array here and it's finished. So if I decide I like to change it a little bit, I just double click and I can go and change the distance. I can change how many columns. So it's much more quickly than copy one by one, and it's easy to change afterwards. Now let's try the circular array. I will make, let's say this is a round table and we have a chair here. And I use the circular array to make I have to choose the center of this circle if I want them to go around here. This is the base point. And I like to have 8 chairs around. And I press OK. Close array. Now we can also try this path array. So first we have to make a path. I use the spline tool. Just make some pattern. And I can copy. I cannot copy. I make a circle. Yeah. And I want circles to go along this path. So I go to Array, Path Array, I choose the circle. And it will follow the path. Between, I can change this distance to so no, it's not so many. Maybe we can have this and close. So it's very easy if you use the array function for these patterns. You save a lot of time. Let's just try a new drawing. And if we go to the polygon, and I choose number of sides, I like to have 8 sides. And I specify the center. So I choose C for circumscribe. Now I have a polygon shape. So I can specify the radius. I specify 500. No, it's too big. 250. So if we check the dimension now, you see it's 500. The circle is inside this polygon. It's I forgot to use the circle. It's good to use a circle before you make the polygon, because then you always have the center. And you can remove the circle if you don't need it, or you can hide it. Like if we use the contour line, we can, for example, make the circle in the hidden line. And if you don't like to show this on the drawing, you can turn the layer off. Then it will not show. But you have it there if you need to change something or find the center. You can just turn it on and it's there. So I have it on now when I draw it, because it's nice to have the center. So now I think, let us say that this is a table and we want to have chairs around this table. Then we can use the rectangle tool. Let's make it 60. 60, 60. This looks okay. I move it a little more close. So I like to have one chair. I would like to have 8 chairs around this table. Then we go to the array command again, and we use polar array. We select the chair, and we select the center of the table. And I like to have 8. Okay. So now we have one table here, and I'm going to have a party, so I like to have more than one table. I can use the array command again. I use the rectangular array. I choose the whole table and the chairs. Oh, now I can have a big party. But we should have some more distance between the tables. So there's like 1 meter. I like to have at least 2 meters because of all the Corona rules in these days. And same in the row. Okay, this looks nice. So I can turn off the grid. It looks even better. So this video was showing how easy it is to use the array command, and I hope you learned something new, and I hope that you will watch my videos later on. Thank you for watching.